Hey everybody, what is going on? I hope you guys are all doing well and welcome to another tutorial video. In this video, I'm going to be explaining to you guys how you can use HubSpot for sales. So let's get right into it. Now you can use HubSpot for sales in a couple of different manners. You can go ahead and set up deals. You can manage your contacts, manage your leads through the ticket system, and then go ahead and manage your finances and your payments through another field. So I'm just going to show you what I mean. Let's just go into CRM, go into contacts, and here is where all of your contacts that you add will be. You can import them or create them manually, and once you do, they'll be in this list, and then you can attribute them to other things. If you go into companies, here you can enter the companies you're doing business with, pretty much the same list as the contacts, except it has a slightly different function, just to specify what sort of company your contacts relate to. If you add a contact, then they can be part of a company, which you can add into this screen, and then manage them through deals and tickets as well. If we go into deals, this is the list of deals which you will create. Let's say you want to create a deal, then you need to input, of course, the deal name. I'll just name it test 2. You can add it to whichever pipeline you want, such as the sales pipeline, the deal stage as well. You have a couple of deal stages, so you need to set that up depending on your needs. You can set up a close date if you have one. If not, you can just leave it by default. You can set yourself up as the owner or any of your contacts or your colleagues. Then you can add a contact and also add a company to them as well, to the deal as well. And I'll select HubSpot.com, click create item, and now we have our deal. Now, once we have our deal, what we're going to do is we're going to go into the ticket system and manage our leads. If we go into tickets, here you can create tickets based on deals, based on appointments, or how far along the pipeline they are. You can add the support pipeline, or you can add new pipelines if you have the premium version. I'm pretty sure you do need it for the premium, for the additional pipelines. And once you create a ticket, you can move it along the pipeline depending on the priority as well as the stage they are currently on. Once you're done with that, then you can go ahead and go into finances or commerce. You can go into your overview. You can set up your payments through the payments tab, which is how you set up your payment processing. You can go to invoices, create one-time or repeating invoices for your customers, and then set up several payment links, quotes, and products if you have some to sell. And that is pretty much how you manage your sales and finances on HubSpot. Hope you guys enjoyed, and I'll be seeing you guys in another video.